Hello, I'm going to teach you how to deal with the E95 error code with this washing machine, Toshiba top loading washing machine. When I turn on the washing machine, you can hear the sound of the water pump. In the normal case, when I turn on and I push this button, nothing should go on with this washing machine. But because we have an issue with this washing machine, it turns on the water pump when I push the on button. E95. Okay, E95 is about, let us go to the water pressure, the pressure switch. Here we have the pressure switch for this washing machine. Our problem is right here. I checked my washing machine and I found that the problem is right here in the black wire. I'm gonna fix it and try it again. I have solved it on my way. All you need is to be sure that all the wires are connected to the pressure switch. Now we are going to test it. Only when you turn it on and you didn't hear any sound from the water pump, then you can be sure that your washing machine is working. I'm going to turn it on spin. Here is my washing machine running without showing me the error code E95.